In that conveyor, I already have the leg frame 00050 that already exists in my ERP. If I now open my Vault and the data card of that assembly, the ERP Link allows me to link any attributes from my ERP to my data card. I can then run a live search against any of those attributes. For example, here we can see all the list of items available in my ERP. If I now open NAV, which is used as my ERP for this demo, we can see all the items and the one that corresponds to that leg frame. As we can see, we already have a preview available for that item. If I return to the Vault, I can then filter the search based on any attributes. For example, here I can search item based on the description. I can then link values from the item in NAV to my data card. This use case can be used if the item already exists in my ERP. In case it does not exist, I can then use that add-in to fully automate the creation of item and BOM from SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional to my ERP. From the SOLIDWORKS EPDM data card, I can define values that will be exported to my ERP during the export. For example, the item number and the description, and for example here, the number of the unit of measure. Then I can either run the export manually or trigger it to a state change. For example, when the main assembly is approved, then the BOMs and items are automatically exported to NAV. So here I will change the states. Items that do not exist will be automatically created, and those that have been modified will be updated. After the stage change, I will run automatically the export to NAV. Now all items and BOMs have been exported, and we can verify it from Navision by refreshing the list of items. So now we can see we have all the list of items. For example, I can open the conveyor, and as we can see, all attributes defined in my data card have been mapped as attributes in the ERP card. Also, during the export, I was able to export a preview of the 3D model. We can now check that all the bill of materials related to that assembly were successfully exported. So here we have the bill of material for the main assembly, and then the other bill of materials are related to some sub-assemblies used in that main assembly.